Top of the stomach. Where else do you have them?
4x4s?
Yes. You have a lot of sphincters in your body. You have them above and below the stomach, and we'll talk about that. So it controls what goes in the stomach and what goes out the stomach. You also have them
Sometimes in coma.
at the bottom of your GI system. So if you don't have a sphincter on your rectum, guess what would happen?
Oh!
You'd be wearing a diaper all the time, wouldn't you?
Yikes.
You actually have 2 sets of sphincters.
Thank you, Lord, for my rectum sphincter.
Sophisticated sphincter.
That's right.
You can tell the
Hemorrhoids are
difference.
part of the blood vessels around there. So there's several places where you can, tonight, thank God for your sphincters.
Okay, well, I just want to
Like the sphincter is
get a
like
tie around down here.
Do you need to pre-loop it for you or use?
No, it has to be threaded through.
I can't see.
Yeah, there's a lot of tissue.
You take your watch off so you don't get
I can't see what I'm up to either. I'm just feeling.
something else and you're like, oh, I'm glad I took my watch off. Run for the mountain.
Can I have some more paper towel?
More paper?
I should have tied off that
Lap
in
pad.
peer review the cable.
You could probably open this up a little bit more
That's good.
and crack it.
Oh my gosh. You can see the ribs, everybody.
Now I'm like,
So
this
good.
has got a lot harder to hold open now.
Baby back ribs.
Stronger than you. Maybe if Mike holds on that side, it would be easier.
Part of it is I could actually slice through there.
Do you want to come back to the machine?
It's like I need sponges for this job.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Mike's doing a much more delicate dissection job.
So at the bottom there, I would like to tie it off, but still quite a lot of tissue. I can't see. So you feel if I cut it, the sphincter would hold, Janet?
I think it wrecks the meat if the urine goes everywhere.
Yeah, it's not urine. This is the GI though.
Would you like me to open up down into here so
Yeah,
I relax
that
a
would
bit?
help because this would come down now.
Where's the
All right.
bladder out on the pig?
Oh, you guys haven't opened up the
Yeah, where is
abdominis rectus, the midline. That's what I'm trying to get in shape by doing sit-ups.
Those are your abs.
You should do plank.
Oh, look at
Intestines.
No, this is the GI system.
Ooh, and no nicking.
Intestines. Oh my
So
god.
here we
Oh, isn't
go.
that the coolest?
About a minute.
Now you guys, this is the other
it looks
part
like
of
a pretty-
teaching on that week. So we're
That's
just,
amazing.
running through. So you guys haven't tied off the bladder yet, have you?
Oh, thank you.
No, we should though.
Yeah,
You
so
want to
the
take time
bladder.
out to tie off the bladder?
Yeah, I
Tony?
think so. Otherwise we wreck the meat.
Excuse me.
Look at the color.
Use the
So just have a look at the bowels because there's different types of bowels.
So we have
Have a look.
small
gonna get his zip
bowels and large, small intestines, large
I
intestines.
think Janet's got some there.
Oh, Janet's got some small ones.
It always looks different in.
She's got smaller ones.
So what do you want me to tie off?
Can you tie off the bladder?
Oh,
So
do you
then
wanna? He doesn't want any gloves. Is that it? Oh, is that
That's the bladder there.
It's full.
and we don't want that to rupture.
That's more like.
And the man with the plan.
He's a calmer and hot.
It is a full bladder.
I should have told him to potty before we took it.
Well, I thought he would have been
before we
afraid
came.
and running.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah, usually,
It was
They would let
obviously
go.
very humane end, so.
yeah.
Yes, he didn't even use
He didn't know what got him.
Yeah. It was also good.
He's got this slip.
Shoot it.
Yes, yeah. The first one was
Excellent.
there.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
So do you want to take that
When
out?
he's running. they
Take the
got
bladder
him
out.
there.
Take the bladder out, yeah.
It's like so solid.
So we should
can't
have
get a
another
hold
tie
of
then,
it.
right?
So you
can
have
cut
to
the
get
two
it
down?
in the soft.
Behind the
Well,
ear.
Yeah, you
on
just
this.
shoot. Yeah,
I'll do two just so that I'm not going to.
initially. And
Have an
the
issue?
second one is just to make sure they do it.
There's safety in numbers when it comes to ties.
And there go my kitchen scissors once again.
I just want to use them again. Oh yeah, this is cool.
You can boil them.
Boil them.
If you boil
You
them.
don't want urine to contaminate your meat. Just doesn't.
Now just
Wow,
remember your
that's so
urinary
good.
system, right? We just did that. So this is the bladder, and so there's two tubes coming up here, right?
Ureters.
So, that's also a potential
Where are the
place
tubes?
where we might get some leakage here.
Okay, well,
Probably underneath.
I'm not sure we need to take it
no,
out.
I'd leave it in for now.
Why don't we leave it and just make sure we don't
Puncture it.
Yeah.
Okay, if we poke it, because I would like you to see where the kidneys are in relation to that, and
Well, they're
once we've taken all of it,
retroperitoneal, so you won't.
we'd have to cut through the
Well,
peritoneum.
yeah, we'll get to the kidneys, but you have to remove all the intestines.
Yeah, we'll have to take all of that out.
Getting stinkier.
Yeah.
Anyway, so there's definitely more room. Thank you for
Can
doing
you show
that.
us the stomach? No, you
We're getting there.
Yeah, well that's the stomach right there.
There's a
with the fatty bit
It's
there.
full of air right now.
Okay.
But we're going to come to that after we finish this bit. So we're just going to go back up here. Just going to dissect down here.
Retract for you here.
Thank you. That helps me on the head side because I can actually see now.
Yeah.
There you go. Look.
Sorry, I'm trying to retract.
No, no, you're doing great. Okay, good. I want you all to just have a look in here.
There we go.
Because
tie off there.
what is this thing going down? It's come behind the heart and the lungs and it's going through the diaphragm. You get a good view right there. What's that thing? This is like charades, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 syllables. Right. So what is it, Amanda?
Esophagus.
Esophagus. I was wondering if someone would say the trachea, but it's not because we're now below the lungs.
Going to
Okay?
the stomach.
So this goes through the diaphragm. Now some people, a bit of the stomach pops up through the diaphragm into the chest wall here, and that's called something. It's a type of herniation. Not umbilical. It goes through a hole in the diaphragm, and a hole in Latin is hiatus. Anyone heard of a hiatal hernia? That's where that would happen.
Makes a hole right there in the diaphragm.
Part of the stomach comes through the diaphragm into the chest cavity.
How do you fix that?
Well,
Change your lifestyle.
Yeah. To not
Because,
eating, like.
yeah, we can talk about that in class. But most people that have that are overweight,
Yeah.
and so when they eat a meal, they have so much
Too much
fat
that it
and
goes.
fat and pressure on their stomach, it pushes everything up.
Mr. Piggy has some full intestines.
So there's lots of ways to manage it.
Eat a big breakfast.
Worst case scenario is
Gassy.
it's starting to like that. Whoops, sorry, I slipped.
Was
Beg
he
your pardon, sir.
was he purged a bit?
Was he what, sorry?
Purged? Nothing
Not
to
really,
eat
no.
the day before or anything?
He's actually couldn't get into the feeding area because the females kept him out.
Way to go, girls.
It very much is. So there's now there's another tube. Have a look down this hole here. We,
The white one?
yeah, we have cut the esophagus, which was the red muscular tube. What is that tube
Yeah.
now? Can you see? Wanna see
You have to
one?
move this.
So
It's attached, I can't lift it up.
see, it's white. Looks like a very strong-walled, thick, important tube. What other tubes are going up and down in the midline between the chest and the abdomen?
You said the veins or the blood?
Veins and arteries. What's the biggest artery in the body? Aorta.
Ding, 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 ding.
There it is.
$500. Yeah, question.
That is the aorta. Now, of course, when it's full of blood, it's going to be much bigger than that, and it's going to be pulsating. So,
Do you want to tie off the...
the aorta.
You
Okay,
can tie them off together if we need to.
See the stomach and the liver.
in vena cava, I'm afraid I cut already. Alrighty.
This is pretty cool.
It's got a tiny little hole. Okay, there we are. It's like threading a needle here.
Get back to your old skills here, Michael.
That's right.
I want to see you do a one-hand tie, not... Do you need to eat something?
I'll be okay.
You got it hard over here.
Because we've got lots of meat.
Got lots of meat.
We have a lot of bacon.
There's a whole lot of bacon.
Oh, yeah. Where's the bacon actually formed from?
I wouldn't step. I don't want to overbalance.
Okay, as the pig falls onto us. Yeah. I would not be happy with that.
Okay, there we go. Alrighty, so we've only got one tie. Which way would most of the blood spill out? Should I cut it from the top or the bottom?
Bottom.
I'm not entirely sure the answer because I think probably there's still blood in the heart. So we should cut it on the bottom. But then there might be some blood come up from the lower limb, right?
I think you've already bled out.
Bled out the top
heart.
part?
Yeah.
So we should cut at the top.
Yeah, I would.
Sounds really weird, but I'm actually hungry right now.
You're hungry! There you go. Now, okay, where does
Lung and heart transplant.
so
Lung and heart transplant.
Janet's going to put it into place.
We will talk about that later. Let's go to the GI.
Okay, so let's just clean
Take
ourselves
care,
up
keep
here. Yeah, that's all tied off. Great.
Can you hold it for a minute? Yeah, I just
Okay, so the GI system starts right at the top, right?
So I had to put
Mouth, teeth,
teeth.
GI, digestion. Teeth are really important.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Organ of mastication.
I thought you were.
Yes.
I thought you were.
What else is up there?
Siri Galloway special.
The tongue.
Yes.
What kind of glands are up there we learned about this morning? Salivary glands. That's really important for digestion because what's so good about